Aphorism 130. If at the very commencement the first dose administered shall have been sufficiently strong, this advantage is gained that the experimenter learns the order of cessation of the symptoms and can note down accurately the period at which each occurs, which is very useful in leading to a knowledge of the genius of the medicine. For then the order of the primary actions as also that of the alternating actions is observed in the most unambiguous manner. A very moderate dose even often suffices for the experiment, provided only the experimenter is endowed with sufficiently delicate sensitiveness and is very attentive to his sensations. The duration of the action of a drug can only be ascertained by a comparison of several experiments. In this aphorism, Dr. Hahnemann has given idea about knowledge of duration of action. If in the beginning, if first dose administered to prover shall have been sufficiently strong, then it is most advantageous, as prover learns the order of symptoms coming one after another and can note down accurately the period or time at which every symptom occurs. This is very useful in leading to a knowledge of the genius of the medicine, order of primary actions and also of alternating action is observed in the most clear and detailed manner. A very moderate dose after sufficient for the experiment, if the prover will be with quality of delicate sensitiveness and is very attentive to his sensations. The duration of action of drug can only be ascertained by a comparison of several experiments. Aphorism 131. If, however, in order to ascertain anything at all, the same medicine must be given to the same person to test for several successive days in ever increasing doses, we thereby learn, no doubt, the various morbid states this medicine is capable of producing in a general manner, but we do not ascertain their order of successions, and the subsequent dose often removes curatively some one or other of the symptoms caused by the previous dose or develops in its stead an opposite state. Such symptoms should be enclosed in brackets to mark their ambiguity until subsequent purer experiments show whether they are the reaction of the organism and secondary action or an alternating action of this medicine. Explanation. In this aphorism, Dr. Hahnemann has given idea about effects of increased potency. To ascertain anything about pathogenic power of medicine, the same medicine must be given to the same person in ever increasing doses to test for several successive days. So we can learn the various morbid states produced by this medicine in general manner, but we do not ascertain their order of succession, which is very important for knowing power of medicine. Subsequent dose often removes curatively some one or other symptom produced by previous dose of medicine, or subsequent dose may develop opposite state. Such symptoms of opposite state should be written in bracket to mark their uncertain until subsequent purer experiments show whether they are the reaction of organism and secondary action of vital force or an alternating action of the medicine.